So you'll see.
You can see the heart wheel.
Right? You see the flickering?
That's the heart.
Mm-hmm. And then here, we'll get here, she to jump again. So you can see, boom. Okay?
Okay, the baby's okay.
Alright. Well, I mean, it's, so you see the head, the spine.
The baby's moving. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so you can see even hands and toes there.
You have a baby. It's okay.
Okay, a lot of movement. And a nice strong heart rate.
Can you tell where the placenta is?
You're beyond me there.
Okay. I was just worried about, where it was.
It looks like... I'm giving you false info. I'm not exactly sure what placenta was. Just basically confirm heart rate and get a lot of movement. Alright?
Is it upside down like that?
That's
the
okay.
head.
We're just going to be flipping around.
The head, the back. So the baby's okay.
Okay? So that's